So I bought a new fancy chair about a month or two ago and I have been loving it, but even really good, high quality, expensive chairs come with these kind of plastic cheap casters on the bottom. And this thing only lasted a couple of months before I broke one of the wheels. Now that's not a huge deal, but it happens and there is a better way to do it and a better upgrade. So I went from these plastic cheapies to these guys. Now they are still reasonably priced, but they are rubber wheels and actual wheels rather than just like a plastic disc. And they have standard ends to fit into just normal caster size holes. No problem there. But they are also great because they are rubber. And I have hardwood floors in here. Now I have a carpet down, but if you roll too far, you go off the carpet. If you have something like these with rubber, then you're not going to scratch your hardwood floors. So these are really important to upgrade if you're going to use your rolling chair on a hardwood floor. But in general, they are just way more sturdy, way more robust, and they're also quieter on hardwood floors and they're not going to scratch hardwood floors. These are going to last a lot longer than the typical plastic casters that come with the chairs. If you have a chair that you're going to be using a lot, your home office or your work office, and you want to upgrade that experience, these are the wheels that I buy, or the casters that I buy, that tend to work for me best, and I enjoy them and I would definitely recommend them.